Two tiny tigers take two taxis to town. Okay, it's time for another 2-minute tongue twister challenge. And I'm here today with my tiger t-shirt and my cup of tea to do our tongue twister because the sound is t. So are you ready? So the tongue twister today is two tiny tigers take two taxis to town. Once more. Two tiny tigers take two taxis to town. So t is quite a nice easy sound to make. So we just put our tongue up to the roof of our mouth and then push air out and push that tongue down. So t, t. So two tiny tigers take two taxis to town. Every word starts with a T. Ready? Two tiny tigers take two taxis to town. Okay, now it's your turn. So one more time, the tongue twister. Two tiny tigers take two taxis to town. So remember, keep practicing these tongue twisters. Just 2 minutes practice every day will help to improve your English pronunciation and so improve your listening too. You can visit Jill's English Pronunciation Gym anytime for all kinds of pronunciation workouts, including tongue twisters and limericks. So head on over there every day for a little bit of practice to improve your pronunciation and listening. Thanks for watching.